we got a box here. This was sent to me from Kidsock TV on YouTube here. And I've known Kidsock for a long time, ever since back in the day when my first 2 channels got screwed up by AdSense, and he was one of the helpers that was over in the YouTube help forums. And we've been following each other for a while, and ever since then. So he got me this whatever this is. I don't know what it is. So let's open it up and see what he got here. This knife is my designated work knife. It's got paint on it. It's all chipped up. Whoa. Oh, no wait. Holy cow. A magnetic parts holder. Oh, no way. He got me a cordless drill and an extra battery for it. Whoa. He heard me when I said, man, I need to get a cordless drill, when I was taking open that other, the transmission from William. Holy cow, man. Thank you so much. This is probably the shipping. The people in shipping get printouts and then they rip it off of the printout and then they go out and find it, pack it up. That's probably what that is. I used to work in a parts department back in the day, and that's something that's how they handled it. Oh. Actually, I'll show you guys my old drill. This here is my old drill. It's an old Craftsman. And, yeah, I used this thing. I used to work in a company at a company where we had, oh, this is really dirty. I built furniture. I built, some of it was industrial, some of it was for schools. Most of our stuff was for schools, but everybody's drills were always gone, and everybody was out using their own drill. So I went out and bought my own drill, and it had this light here that I could use. But it was just a little 14 volt, and it seemed to work pretty decently. Yeah, I don't even have the charger for it anymore or anything. I don't know if I can actually still get batteries for this or not, but yeah, I had to put my name on it so that way it wouldn't disappear, because I caught people using it and when they couldn't find one, so they'd come over into shipping and take mine. Yeah. But yeah, let's open this up. That's really, really cool. Okay, this is the charger. Oh, I see. I think. Let's see what this other stuff is. Oh. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that plugs it in. And this here plugged in the bottom. Drill master. Ooh. Got a little transmission so I don't spin out the screws. Yeah. Oh, I'm definitely going to use the hell out of this. Cool, it's got a rubber back on it. So you can really... Let's see. Not too heavy either. It's got two LEDs on it. One's probably for charging, red and green. So red is probably for its charging, and then green is for it's okay to use or fully charged. Oh, I want to build something now. Oh, man. Oh. I think I know where I can put this. I wanna. It's got an extra battery to it. I won't open the new battery until this one starts to get crazy on me. I actually go put this over in storage. But maybe what I'll probably end up doing, because most of the time when I'm building stuff, I won't use a drill to the point to where I max out the battery and kill the battery, and then have to go grab another battery and slap it on. So I'll most likely keep that battery over there. What I should do is build a little mounting thing for this, so I can mount it up on the wall by a plug-in. Whoa. Man, thank you so much, Kidsock. Thank you so much. We've had a whole bunch of different types of little ones, because Crystal will go out and she'll buy some little thing, and my other drill that I've got is this one, and this thing is a 7 amp. This thing's really girthy, and this is what I use to drill through steel. I mean, thick steel. This will be able to handle like up to 1/8 inch, maybe a little thicker. But this thing here, this is what when I'm doing a big job. But it's problematic because I gotta have the dang thing plugged in all the time. And see how it's faded on one side? Yeah. Left it outside too long. Wow. This is so cool, man. Thank you so much. I'm gonna, to keep it from getting too dirty, I'm gonna put it back in the box and figure out what to do with it, how I want to set this all up, because I want to build like a mounting station, a charging station for it. Because if you don't set up a designated area where to put your batteries and where to put all your stuff, then what happens is your charger ends up over there. The spare battery's over there. The gun's over there. Oh, full drill. Yeah, that's got some power to it. Wow. This is just outstanding. Wow. Thank you so much, Kid Sock. Thank you so much. Now his channel's Kid Sock TV. If you guys want to go check it out. He does sock puppet stuff. Sock puppet production. Yeah, that's all. I do that with a lot of my stuff, you guys. When you guys send me stuff, I put it all back in the boxes so that way it's not sitting out and getting all crusty and nasty from all the junk that flies around in here. So I've got the box sitting right there, and I'll probably have to tape it up a little bit, but yeah. But I want to be building. I'm thinking maybe over here by the saw, building a little charging station right there, but I don't know, because I don't think that's a good idea, because there's a lot of flying steel and metal filings over there, and I don't want that stuff getting stuck inside the electric motor of those, you know, so that's not a good idea. Oh wait, yeah, I've got a place way over there in the back corner of the building. I could put something back there. That'd be the best place too. Wow. Thank you very, very much. This is going to be very useful. Thank you very much.